In today's video, we're going to learn how to use or insert social media icons on your resume or CV in Microsoft Word. Adding social media icons to your resume can help make your document look more modern and visually appealing, while also giving employers quick access to your professional profiles. When used properly, these icons can guide recruiters directly to your online portfolio, professional networking page, or other relevant platforms that highlight your experience and work. To begin, open your resume or CV document in Microsoft Word. Once the document is open, decide where you want the social media icons to appear. Many people place them near their contact information at the top of the resume, since that area usually contains details such as professional links and other ways to reach you. Next, go to the Insert tab, located at the top of the screen. This tab contains a variety of tools that allow you to add different elements to your document, including images, shapes, icons, and illustrations. From here, look for the Icons option. This feature provides a large collection of simple graphics that you can use in your document. Click on Icons, and a library of graphic symbols will appear. Inside the search bar within the icon window, type the name of the social media platform you want to include. Microsoft Word will display several icon options related to that platform. Once you find the icon you want to use, select it and click Insert. The icon will then appear in your document. After inserting the icon, you can adjust its size so it fits neatly within your resume layout. Simply click on the icon and drag the corner handles to resize it. Keeping the icon small and balanced helps maintain a clean and professional look. You can also move the icon to the exact position where you want it by clicking and dragging it within the document. To make the icon functional, you can link it to your professional profile. Click on the icon, go to the Insert tab again, and select the Link option. A small window will appear where you can paste the web address of your profile. Once the link is added, anyone viewing the document digitally can click the icon and be directed to that page. You can repeat this process for additional platforms if you want to include more than one icon. Just remember to keep the layout simple and organized so the icons enhance your resume rather than distract from the main content. Using social media icons in your resume is a small design improvement that can make your document feel more modern and interactive, especially when sharing it digitally. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.